Hey family, welcome back to the Hillside Homestead. Today I am cleaning out my wood burning stove. It has been running for 2 weeks without me cleaning it out. You don't have to clean it out every day. It just depends on how much you're using it. I have been using it continuously for about 2 weeks, and it is time for all of these ashes, most of these ashes, to come out so that I can have a clean burn, that my wood will burn faster and better. So that is what I'm doing. I ran it last night. I put wood in last night, and I haven't put wood in since. And you can see that it is still hot. And that is why we use a metal pan here to put our ashes in. And this little shovel comes in a little kit that you get when you have a fireplace or a wood burning stove. So I am taking these ashes out, and I will not take all of them out. I will leave a small layer on the bottom as a cushion for the wood when I put it back in. And there is a lot in here. Kind of reminds me of my life sometimes. There are many times that my life becomes filled with extra baggage that God has to remove. He comes in and he removes all that clutter, all those ashes and dirt out of me, so that I can hear his voice speak to me. And I cry out just like David, Lord, please give me a clean heart and renew a right spirit within me, because I want to be a fire for him. I want people to see the light in me so that they may glorify my Father, which is in heaven. And I want my wood burning stove burning bright, giving off that heat so that I can stay warm in my home. So I am going to continue doing this, and I'll bring you back when I light it up again. Just cleaned out, and it filled about 1/3 of this metal bucket, this metal trash can here, the small one. And if you touch it, it is very hot. So that's how hot it gets in here. Now I'm going to restart my fire. So I have my kindling sitting here, and I'm going to put it in. And I have found at, you can find this at probably Lowe's. These are Flatwood fire starters, and they work awesome. You light these, and it helps to light up your fire quicker. These have been a blessing, because sometimes it takes a long time to get the fire started. Today it shouldn't be, because there is heated coals in the bottom. But I am going to use them anyway. So I will stick them in between these small pieces here. And if you ever are doing a fireplace where you have to put in your wood, or a wood burning stove, it is always good to keep some aloe vera plant, because if you happen to burn yourself, that aloe vera will heal that burn very quickly. It is a miracle worker. God knew what he did when he gave us plants in the garden, the herbs of the field. They work wonders if we use them. So I'm going to put the rest of these in. And it's also good, if you burn yourself on a regular stove, to have an aloe vera plant. You just break off a piece, and you rub that gel on your burn. All right, now I am going to put in some small pieces of my wood. And the smaller pieces just burn faster, and it'll get your wood burning stove started a little quicker. The bigger pieces take a long time to get started. Nice piece on the top there. And I'm going to put in one more piece over here. And let's see if I have another small piece here. Let's set this one in the back there. All right. And I am going to light it up. Well, if I can get this working. There it is. So I'm going to light those Flatwood fire starters. And when you get kindling, you always have to find dry pieces. Because if you just go pick it off the tree, it's going to have too much water in it, too much sap. So you want pieces that have been sitting around for a long time. So there is a little lever down here, and I'm going to move this out the way. And those ashes I can also use in my garden, in my compost pile. I won't put a lot, but I will put some in there. So there's a little lever down here where you can adjust how much you want your flame to burn. So since I'm getting started, I'm going to open it up all the way. And after I took out the ashes, I cleaned my glass here. And that is how I clean out the wood burning stove and get the fire restarted. So I hope you got some information out of this, something that maybe can help you even if you're deciding to get a wood burning stove. They are great to have. Your electricity goes out. You are assured to have heat as long as you have some wood. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please put them down below in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Make it a wonderful day. Be a blessing to someone, and God bless you from the Hillside Homestead. Talk to you later, family.